Sunrise at Rio Gallegos. We are now in the sparsely populated area just north of the Magellan Straits. There's not much here except for an airport, a rundown town and a small port, hence the railway. We wanted to see the departure but the train left early, so we followed it for a while. A gaucho. I wonder where he came from or where he's going. Steam is the most economical method of operation due to abundant supplies of coal from the Rio Turbio mines to the west. Having overtaken the train again, the drizzle turns to a downpour as the train creeps nearer. A stop is made for water in this isolated location. We leave the railway here and head on unmade roads to the northwest, back towards the Andes. This bleak area is where Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid came to farm after they'd committed many bank robberies in the north. As we approach Calafate and our hotel for the next few nights, the weather improves.